Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
You can find ginger beer for the Moscow Mule in most liquor stores, or you can substitute ginger ale, although the flavor will be less intense. Refrigerate and use as needed. Directions: 1. Using a bar muddler or a wooden spoon, crush muddle the cucumber slices in a tall glass.
Let's help you make your mark.
If you love ginger so much that ginger ale doesn't have enough of a kick, you might prefer to drink ginger beer. This sweet and fiery ginger beverage is a refreshing drink straight up or as a mixer in cocktails or mocktails. 4 September 2019.
Take our lead.
The name, ginger beer, can be misleading because, in most cases, the beverage doesn't contain alcohol, which makes it similar to ginger ale, a type of soft drink. Both beverages contain added sugar and don't have much in the way of nutrition, but comparing them can help you make the best choice for your health.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.